Alrighty. Just getting everything set up. Sorry about the wait here. I'm still kind of new to this whole streaming thing. Just trying to make sure I have everything up. So I don't think I can see my my other chat, but it's whatever. Really? This will work. Maybe. All right. Maybe that's set up. I need to like hire somebody to help me with the stuff. Like I don't know how to see my my YouTube chat, but whatever. We'll just let it ride, I suppose. Oh, there we go. Nice. Very cool. So very interesting overnight move. Was really hoping to see more of a rotation lower, but we seem to want to be pinning to around like 700 to 703 area. Those are going to be like the two ping pong zones for now. Looking at price here, it does look like we are in quite the positive gamma environment. Dips just being bought. Not much else is really happening. I really want to see VIX hold. Like if as long as VIX can hold above like 18, I'm going to anticipate another move down. And that's going to be kind of like how I go about today. I really am not interested in longs, like pretty much at all. So, like, I don't know. I just don't like the long idea. As long as VIX is like pretty elevated, I don't really love the idea of longs. Like the best long idea would be like coming back into this like 700 and retesting it. But outside of that, I'm not very very in love with the idea. Like I'll probably just sit out if we do end up just longing all day. Because I took like 500 stabs yesterday, short, or I should say like last night. And every single time it kept getting just steamrolled over, you know, just dips being just like bought, complete daggers just being bought up. So that's fine. Hindsight, you know, like probably waiting for the 700 and just like assuming that we might drift up towards this high here is probably the best. Kind of looks like we are bear flagging at the moment, so like maybe this is the short that will kind of hold us over, but not really. Like at this point, I'm just kind of like expecting to keep getting broke even. I'm currently short like around here. I think like 83 is my average, so that's kind of that's what I'm looking for. I'm kind of looking for like I'm really praying that this is going to be the high of the day, and we can keep trading below previous day high. That would be the most ideal scenario in my head here, like previous day high being like at 47, I think. Yeah, like right below the V flip there is hey Andy. So that's going to be kind of the idea. I want us to hold below and expand below this V flip ideally, so we can like actually expand lower. like like yesterday and today, this entire like this line here has just been following price everywhere and not letting us really, like, what's the word for it, expand much. I mean, yes, we're up 300 points, but it's kind of keeping it contained into like these small moves. I think this was like the Marco Rubio shit where they said Israel's willing to like talk at the table or whatever. I think there was some Andreas ICT, that's funny. I think that's kind of like the idea. But like if we blast above this, I'm probably just gonna not participate and just sit out because I don't like longs. Like, can I see it? I mean, no, not really. I mean, you kind of got like a ceiling here at like 705. And like we could come and test like all these, that's fine. Quite a bit of delta, like there's so much delta at 700. Even for like a lot of days out, like most of this delta here at 700 is negative. For the 0 day it is positive, but it bleeds off after the 0 day. So I think we might just pin around 700 and see what we want to do, but there's not much exposure like anywhere else. We're kind of like in this neutral zone where price can just float and meander around. So that's kind of like what I'm seeing. Holy smokes. Yeah, no, I'm still in shorts, like, but I'm not going to be adding to this because, like, it's just not something I'm willing to fuck around with, to be honest with you. It's just not worth it for me at all to go and do some stupid shit when I could very easily just get blown. Like, price could just very easily just touch the shit out of me. Especially in this kind of environment. VIX might want to climb back up to 19-ish, but like, I really want to see more targets above on VIX here. Like 18 is going to be like the pivot. Like I said, it's this massive negative gamma node here at 18. So we hold that, we keep going down, we kind of meander below it, we don't. But like opening this close to one of them is pretty much just saying that we might just get some volatility compression. But like in my opinion, if this thing picks up a lot of speed, then we'll be perfectly fine. Like I'm surprised like all of this got bought up. Like that's pretty impressive. I've been kind of under the idea that any speed would kind of, they wouldn't be able to, you know, keep the market held back from following the trend. Because I'm of the belief that, wait, oh shit. Is this thing like busted? Oh, okay. Has it been like that the whole time? That'd be so unfortunate. Well, you can see we're respecting OTE here. I want to see us blast through these protected lows here, these protected swings. Peep the non-noisy. I mean, yeah, like, it just kind of looks like we were trying to bear flag, and then, like, we just broke out to the upside. And now this just looks like the same thing, but, like, this just looks super bear flaggy to me. Like, if we break out of this bear flag up to the upside, I'll be shocked would be the least surprising word, I would say. But like, I'm really expecting mean reversion back down to 700. Like that's kind of the easiest trade in my eyes, down to like 900 953. And like really pick up speed. Like I really want to position myself for the full move lower. Because like I do think the selling isn't done yet. I think we need one more good leg. Coming out of this node here on ES is pretty good. Is that the open? Okay, now the stock market's open. Okay, yeah, I think my stop loss is about to get touched. Yes, climbing above this node here. VIX coming back into the 18s here. This would just be the craziest reversion back up to the highs like ever. My God. I want to, before I engage, like, I don't want to keep, like, stabbing short if it's just, like, not going to work. It's just so frustrating, like, having an idea and, like, knowing when to kind of put it to bed. I want to see VIX hold 18 and come back again if that's what we want to do. 17.5, new wall. I had my stop here. If I get internally swept, that'd be so funny. I really want to see one of these nodes hold, like one of these three nodes hold. Like ES lower for sure. It's just can't quite get the rotation I'm looking for. This is crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. My goodness. It's like a spy here on the gamma. 750 wall again, so are we just gonna climb to 750? Like, is that what we're doing? Going back to the pivot from last week? I don't know. At this point, I'd be kind of shocked if we don't rotate back up to 750, to be honest with you, but this was a crazy pivot. This like Vex flip all the way down here I had marked out. Where is it? This down here was crazy as hell. Just sweep it and go. That's nuts. I want to see VIX hold like 17 and a half now. As I said, I really don't want to engage the market long. So like, I'm not saying to look for reasons to short, but like that's just kind of, I'm just like thinking about what I want to do. I'll be right back.
No, it's awful, and I mean, occasionally it does happen. I mean, when when I was doing like previous categories, I've definitely had that happen to me once with like not on an item as important as shrimp. But I mean, it does happen occasionally, and like, I feel like it's impossible to be perfect all the time, but like, I definitely want to strive for us both to be on the same page and everything, you know, go, because we don't want that happening. We do not want that happening. It's a lot. It's a lot for everybody. Okay, cool.
Because they do make changes on the fly, right? Like you were saying, they're doing that more often the last few years, I guess, right?
Well, we talked about this a lot in terms of
Oh boy. Definitely don't want to like jump in front of a running train, like for sure. Like if it wants to run, by all fucking means, let it run, man. I'm not gonna stop it. I'm not gonna try to like jump in front with my hard-earned money. And we got some dark pool action coming in, but like, does SPY want to come back up to 750? I don't know. I really want to see VIX engage with this like 17 and a half before I'm like willing to do a whole lot. What's the delta looking like? Yeah, I'd be so surprised if we can get back up to like 19.
It's
18 on the VIX. Like we're coming back into like pivots from last week. Like us holding above 700 and expanding is really not good for bears, but I just can't imagine that the move is done quite yet. Or am I being a naughty bear? I could be being a naughty bear. I'm gonna wait to like engage with anything until VIX gets to like 17 and a half here. That's gonna be kind of what I'm reckoning. So it's 120 points off TS Open, dude. That's crazy as hell. $18 viewers on YouTube? Holy shit. 14 viewers on X? Golly. And I'm here not in the longs, dude. I'm fucking ass. Oh my god. Dude, my glasses get so messy because my son, like, when he grabs me, when he's on my shoulders, he does that, and like his dirty little fingers get all over my glasses. Yeah, I agree, Raph. Like, it's just like trying to pump into and just getting sold into. SPY coming into the 750s though, soon. I think it'll be interesting to see what VIX wants to do at 17 and a half. But like, I think a lot of people are just kind of like on the sidelines unless they have like really strong conviction. Like, I mean, if you have really strong bull conviction, then like you're just like having a really good day today, which I can see I can see the narrative for you wanting to buy. Just like if you're just one of those like we're really low in the range, let's fucking buy the dip. I'm like hell yeah, bro. Like for sure. Buying the dip in Orange Man's market is low key the fucking move. Like almost 10 times out of 10. Coming out of the 7. Wow, this is 705. Okay, so we did come into 705 on the Qs here. Can't quite break into 750 on SPY here quite yet. This node down here is growing quite a bit. I'd like to see more nodes growing beneath us. I mean, one day out looks okay. The book is like really thin though, like insanely thin. I wonder if I can get. I throw on one con here, just like as a starter, just like one little micro at the retest this dark pool level here. Maybe VIX can start getting some life again, but like coming into like 1760 is like okay-ish, I suppose. Just really scared to like jump in front of a runaway train here. If you know, you know. I want to see this newly dark pool printed like being added to like if short, like I don't know, just using it as a ceiling, but TS got girth, bro. TS has girth. I'm sure live stream pause is fun. You're not missing out on anything. Not missing out on shit, dude. Just me being like a naughty bear and not wanting to long. I mean, even if I did want to, like, it's like way too late in my opinion. That was dinging. I'm long at 225 now, but not that convinced. It went down pretty bad last week. You're long where? I mean, shit, bro. I'm not gonna hate.
Our November, December is not due yet, so, I don't have. I probably will have.
This comes across as just a fucking squeeze to me. It's just like up and 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 up. It's just fucking reclaiming this entire move. Yeah, it's whatever, bro. Oh, good put spike. Do we? I think Spy wants 750 at the bare minimum now. Nikki 225. I don't know. This is crazy.
It's like, they do it, it's every, yeah, I'll have to ask,
Does not want a short. I fucking know, Nate. TS does not want a short, bro. Like, I feel like I'm just being naughty, but I mean, dude, it's way too late to long at this point. Like, at least for me, it is. Like, I'm bulling with just like watching it play out. Did you catch longs, man? Just fucking press the buy button, bro. It's fucking, not now, but like we should have last night. Dude, I'm fucking crying. We just broke 705, dude. I know the retest that we were at. The retest was fucking right here at the pivot, bro. I was so confident that like this was gonna be the high, bro. It just looks so good. Like the fact that that's not the high is crazy. It's just super positive gamma, I suppose. They're just buying TS, bro. Saying nah, naughty. Don't be naughty, bear. This is so crazy, bro. Let's see. ES is like fucking rejecting this dark pool level though. At the very least, I'm expecting mean reversion, bro. Like at the very least, I'm expecting some form of mean reversion. Like, TS just looks so juicy for lower. Every time we bear flag, it just rips out of it, dude. I'm not saying to, like, trade the pattern, but, like, you know, like, that's pretty common to see if, like, you want to see weakness in the market, and then it's just, like, it'll bear flag, and then just pop that bitch. It's too funny. I like these two dark pool levels here, though. The failure to really get speed to 750 is pretty nice to see as well. Vic's starting to climb back up to 18. Like, I think we get to 19 on Vix. I don't think it's over. It's just like, how fun is it going to be getting there? You know what I mean? I think the answer is going to be TS, not fun, bro. Right, like we expand below previous day and then just fucking yank. Is TS it? Probably not, bro. They're probably just send it back up again. Oh my god, dude. I don't even know. I'm just in like one con. Like I don't even like want to add to this, bro. It's just TS scary as hell. I think I might just hold a micro, bro. Like just a singular micro. Like I haven't been able to build like positions because every time we pop highs, like it's so fast to turn back around. Like I can't get into a lot of cons. Like here I was able to get into a handful, but like every time we pop a high, like we do this and it's so fast that I can't, like it's so fast that I can't build a position because I don't enter full size. And like I'm not gonna chase this and ruin my average. Like that'd be pretty fucking stupid. You know? Oh my goodness, 27 viewers on YouTube and 20 on X. Wow, thank you guys. Is my music coming through? I don't know if it is or not. Vic's getting dingle-dangly right now. Vic's popping, dude. Above 18 again. We might squeeze, trying to like pop below it, fail the second pop. Like we pop, like every time Vix gets to like these lows, like every single day, like shunk, squeeze, like shunk, squeeze. Like it just does this all the fucking time. We just can't get a clean rotation. They make you work for it, dude. Work so fucking hard, man. I'm in just one fucking con at like 141, dude. Like here. Like it's just so bad. PS2 swing here, so I was like, might as well. I don't understand. Holy Vix spike, dude. What the That's what the fuck I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, can this RR tool behave, please? Hello? Okay, whatever, bro. This is my position. Anyways. Why is my stream so delayed, dude? Check cord. Okay, Roger. Roger, boss man. Bro, I'm not getting out of this, bro. Like, I'm so confident that this piece of shit nukes. So many people are in this short. Oh, God. Dude, it's so funny. Like, the way I teach, like, so many people take the same trades. It's so funny. Teach. I don't know why my stream has such a crazy delay. Like, it's almost like 2 minutes behind. Can we get below previous day is the question. Fucking Vic Squeeze of Doom, bro. Let's get it fucking popping, bro. Let's get TS jumping. And it be. The idea that I'm in 1 micro is so fucking heinous. Calm 100 points, bro. Fuck that shit. I'm going for previous day low. Fuck them and this bull run. It won't let me adjust the RR tool. I gotta fix that. That's crazy. Yeah, mean reversion back down to like 700 looks really good. And then like, if we can pick up speed, just like flying through 700 would be ideal. Where's this fucking pivot again, bro? Right the fuck there. The V-flip right there, bro. Okay. Okay. There's no way we can buy this dip back up, bro. I refuse to believe we can buy this dip back up. TS heinous, bro. Nay's in the X stream. Hey, this is like the biggest stream I've ever done. Holy shit. Who would have thunk? Well, guys, if you like the stream, go ahead, and I don't know if you can like it or not on X and YouTube. I don't really know how the fuck that shit works, but I need to get someone to like really help me get my streaming stuff set up. I'm also streaming from like a MacBook. I don't know if that's like meta or not, or if that's even possible, but Spy not being able to claim 750 is really, really good. That means they're defending the strikes around it and hedging it, which is really fucking good to see. TS Fix just fucking flying through 18 is so fucking good. Holy shit. We get through 700 again, and Bears are back in control. TS Bears, dude. Bear. And I have a lot of like mic noise. I don't know how to fix that like at all. Is anybody like good at this shit? Because I feel like I have a lot of gain. I don't know. I just like watch YouTube. Lock in, little bro. Yeah, shut up, bro. You're my number one copy trader, bro. Keep trading your sim funded, bro. Keep trading your sim money, bro. My Fun and Futures will give you a gold star. Good boy of the year, dude. I love you, Jeremy. That's so funny. I'm too funny. Too funny on him, bro. You know, Nate, we get through this pivot, it's flying. It's going if we get through this pivot, bro. Bro, what do these like sparkle notifications mean? 25 viewers. Dude, holy shit. We're almost at like 100 viewers across the platforms. Holy shit. What the hell? That's crazy. Oh wait, no, my freaking thing is, oh, I see. It's aggregate. Okay, so it's not 29 on YouTube, 29 on X. I see. It's 3 on YouTube and however many on X. 25. Okay. Now I see. Now I understand it. I understand it now. I understand it now. Can you like a stream on X? I have no idea if you can do that. Is that how you like boost it? Oh yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, guys, if you like the stream, like it. I think that's how you like boost. Isn't that what like the big streamers do to like follow, whatever? I think that's how you do it. Bro, we need to get through 980 with speed and just go to previous day low with a lot of speed. Were you guys able to see my execution when I brought it up on screen? My stream is like really delayed. You should be able to see it. Yeah, there we go. So we need to get through like this here, trading below previous day high, and then we target all the way there, dude. This long entry was crazy off this pivot. Like, it was so nuts. And then yesterday on Tradeovate, this is my, like, I don't like trading on Tradeovate because I like to average in with micros. And when you set your stop loss, right, like if I had like 5 here, for example, I would have to add 5 to the, or add 4 to this, and then my automatic entry would have like a quantity of 5. So I hit market sell and it sold 5 instead of like 1. And last night I had like 10 micros on and it sold for 10 and when I wanted to average in for 1. And I was just like, fuck. Like, that's like the second time this shit's happened. And it made me so sad that my average got completely obliterated. So like, I've just been watching it. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If this entire thing gets bought back up, I'm a monkey's uncle. I'm gonna say, bro, I'm a monkey's uncle if this shit gets bought back up. Wow, everyone is in here. I mean, yeah, like X is, I love X, dude. It's such a good platform. It's the everything platform, bro. Like, so now I think we have 31 on X and 7 on YouTube. Why is my CPU so hot, bro? Is that why? Or is it because I'm streaming and like Macs aren't supposed to stream? Oh, that cooled it off a lot, I think. Bro, there's no way they fucking take it all the way back up, dude. I'm not. If they do, I cannot. Oh boy. I'll add on that node. Yeah, dude. I just don't want to ruin my average, bro. I'm just gonna ride with 1 micro and see how far it can take me. VIX coming out of 18 again. It's just like, oh. We need VIX to start like doing some fun shit. Not being annoying. Any chance you can turn your mic up a little bit? Yeah, I can. I turned it down for here, that should be better. Yeah. The fuck? Okay, my screen just went blank and now it's back. As I said, I'm pretty new to the whole streaming thing, so like I don't know what sounds good, if the stream looks good, none of that stuff. So we're just gonna work with what we got, I think. Hopefully that's better, way better. Okay, good. VWAP and next significant strike down there. Yeah, dude, I fucking agree, man. I mean, we got a lot of shit down there. Like, I mean, I just think if VIX is like treating it like, like 18, then we should be looking to just follow the trend still. Like, following the trend short right now, I think is just like, I'd rather get stopped out a few times with like really good risk because we have good levels to interact with, than like get giga stomped long trying to like chase this bullshit here. Cause like you can see anyone that tried to, well, like I don't know like what someone's entry would be here, but like, I mean, I guess you could take like the change of state here, wherever, like I'm sure there's one on the 1 minute. Like you could probably take like the change in state up to like buy side or something if that's like your shtick. Wow, 40 viewers on X. That's crazy. Thank you guys. We can see some nodes down here building as well. Very good sign. I want to see them start unwinding positions higher, and like we need to get through this 700 first, though. Like we get through the 700 and hold below, bears should establish control, because this is kind of like testing above 700 and like failing to break out above it means that they just can't quite crack it yet. That's kind of the way I'm seeing it. And like, I mean, VIX is at like 18, bro. Like, I think just following the trends, like I said earlier, is just the best protocol possible. How high it wants to go up is really not my concern. But like, I mean, a lot of things looked really good bearish up here. Like them not even being able to claim 750 on SPY is really good, because ES here I use SPY's nodes. I don't use SPX for ES mapping by any means. So Oh, they rolled the spy mag down too, which is really, really good. So I think they did. Let me see. No, they didn't quite yet. Trading, like, we need to get, like, pretty good below 745 before anything crazy happens, I think. BRB, guys. Uno momento. Ooh. Ooh, holy 48 viewers. Dude, I know. And Nate, tonight you're going to really have to help me with the... Hold up, let me message you. Let me text you, actually. Okay, now I'm back. Any trades? Yeah, I'm short from the highs. This is the current short that I'm in. I couldn't get into any more cons. It's just one silly little micro because I didn't have enough time to add onto anything. I'd love to be in like 5, but unfortunately that's not really the case. The short was here, kind of like this, but it quickly became like this here. I mean, you could target, you know, like this, or like, but like my idea is genuinely insane. Like, I really want to get down to here. And with one micro, it's really, really frustrating that I'm only in one. But this is like my live account, so it's whatever. I mean, bread is bread, you know? I mean, $400 is like bills, you know? I guess. Also with like how this fucking piece of shit is moving, it's like, how aggressive do I want to be? Like, how many times do I want to get touched, like trying to average in really aggressively? Like, I didn't get like anything but break even when I was shorting here or like here or like here. But it's like here, I'm really scared that we might squeeze a lot. Look at the 1 minute QQQ candle. Yeah, TS looks good, bro. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think this plays out all the way. NQ at its mag now. Shoot, maybe I'll just stream on X. I really want to start seeing some like aggression below 700 here, because this is the main pivot that bulls and bears are kind of deciding when to step away. I want to see VIX obviously stay elevated and climb. I don't want to see any more mean reversion on VIX. Uh-huh. What the fuck is going on? I think just got nutty. We really gonna do this? So I'm trying to fix my stream settings here so I don't have a crazy delay. Are there like settings in X that I don't know about? Right now we're just kind of riding out the short. Oh, did the QQQ candle have a crazy wick? That happens sometimes. I'm not sure why. This is going to be the test here. I want to see speed. Wow, 54 viewers. Thank you guys so much. I'll be streaming like Monday, Wednesday, Friday to you guys for free. So if you want to stick around and catch more streams, feel free to like and follow. I really enjoy just doing it for the love of the game, helping people out, you know. I love my audience on X, even though it's small. I really want to start seeing speed below this like 700. I don't like how like the bodies are just kind of like slamming into it. I don't love it. I mean, trading below previous day high is always good. But like below 700, should get wicked. It's been a while since we've had New York be the high like this. Like, it's been a really long time. Asia's been typically setting the high of the day, and we'll just expand from there. Like, the past, like, month and some change, like, very, very rarely has New York been the high of the day recently. I want to see them just clear all this out, like, with speed. And, like, once 700 fails, that should happen, ideally. Ideally, that should happen. 691, 690 growing with some good strength here. These were like in the 20s earlier, and some more nodes popping up below. Dude, one micro making $500 is so funny, dude. Like, that's just so funny. It makes me sad that I'm not in more, but you know, what are you gonna do about it? You know, none. Nothing you can do. 62 viewers. My goodness, guys. You guys are just the bomb. There's some silent watchers here. Vix might start getting jiggy with it, dude. It might start getting its poom poom on. It's poom poom. Maybe I just need a better mic. Do. We need speed below 700. VIX to 90, bro. VIX to fucking 30, bro. Fuck this market. VIX has delta all the way up to 25, bro. Like, a lot. A lot of delta. A lot of speed. I think we popped 20 on VIX today, bro. We got TS cross, dude. I know we did get TS cross, bro. It's holding the higher time frame cross. It's holding the hourly cross really well. Even the 15-minute has held. It's just like being really annoying. I want to start seeing band separation on it though. That's when it really starts flying, dude. When we get like band separation on like the 5, that's when it really starts freaking flying. I guess this put spike was just them front running the shit out of shorts. Like, that was the main short. Like, that was the main thing that caused me to take the trade, was this really, really nice put spike. Because it's aggregated per candle. I mean, this is really good, especially when you're coming into higher nodes, like pretty extended into dark pool levels as well. Like, I mean, it's just like really good all around. Once again, though, we really need to reclaim speed below 700, or else this is kind of fraud. What's Savannah looking like on the cues? literally none here. It's actually super funny. Vanna Pocket is 695, 691, 692. And then we got like this upside here at like 705 and above. $700, no, 700 on QQQ. You can see it here. This is 700. Yeah, because these are nodes. The size, opacity, and everything like that is dictated by over here and just translated onto the chart. Candle by candle. Is this Cook Chat? I don't think so. Me no think. I mean, already up like, this was 230 points. A lot of people would say that was pretty good. I don't know, dude, it's just so hard for me to want to like cut it because I know what it can do. I just don't know if it will. It's really frustrating. I need some water. Well, this plays out. Is it really gonna float back up? I'd rather it didn't, obviously. Bro. Is this all 100 points from the lows, dude? Can we be so serious? This thing is so frustrating. Bro. I really want to see them hold it below previous day high. Like, badly. Or, like, it's kind of cooked. I don't understand, like, how it would just rip back up. Like, I get the 700 bounce for sure, but, like, it's just like, how many times can we push and fail, push and fail, push and fail? Like, it's insanity, dude. I want to see this dark pool level, like, become more or less like a ceiling for price, and VIX just continue to climb, and ES kind of follow, like, the same narrative. We got strikes building below at, like, 740. We got more put volume coming in as well. 20 million. This one was 40. This was like 10, like 13 million. Not bad. But, like, we really need to start, like, picking up speed, and this piece of shit just, like, stop buying dips. I call it a piece of shit because obviously it's not doing what I want it to do, even though we're up, like, 100 and some odd points. VIX is still just continuing its trend, so, like, I'm cool with staying in the trade and, like, level-headed. I'm not going to be adding to this at all because my average is way up here. Not even remotely worth it because I would bring my entry like here, and I don't like that. Holding 70, like 702, 701 would be really cool, and us climbing into these like negative nodes for speed. That's really just what I want to see, is just like trying to pick up some speed on the shorts. Because like I feel like bulls are really trying to prop it up, but bears, every time they pop it, slap it down, pop it, slap it down. So like how many times can they pop it, slap it down, and then bulls buy it right back up? You know what I mean? Like how many times can they keep doing that before it inevitably fails? Because we are in a downtrend. So like I don't understand how someone could say that we're not in a downtrend. Oh, but the daily is, yeah, whatever, bro. Oh, but the But the thing trying to like short, like especially this market, is you really got to get good entries, man. Because if, like, especially like last week, trying to find the top and whatnot is just, it gets so atrocious. But like nothing is screaming at me that like the market as a whole is completely ready to rotate higher. I think this is somewhat of just like a dead cat bounce. Into like OTE-ish. I mean, lots of put volume coming into this bitch. My God, like hella put volume coming into this motherfucker, dude. Like holy shit, put volume. I guess only put volume coming in. That's so crazy. There's almost no call volume in any of these fucking candles. Like, we need to, like, capitalize on this or price will bounce hard. Like, we need to start seeing speed to capitalize on this put volume, or it's going to be saying, like, sellers can't keep it down and they're just getting absorbed. And then they'll have to cash their puts, and, you know, it'll be Jeej. It'll be Jover, dude. It'd be completely Jover. I'd rather it not be Jover. I'd rather us get like some fat fucking candles like coming in here soon. Like really fat candles following this put volume is really what we need to see. They're unwinding these nodes too. 703, 704, 705 has been unwound a bit. Just keeping like a mental note here. Like I want to see 691, 690 get back into like the hundreds. Like that's really what I want to start seeing. So it'll show interest lower and we can start capitalizing on that. Like you can see they're starting to build it down here a little bit. So that's ideally, because we want to like understand the market rotations, that like the options kind of rotate first and then price follows. Because they want to position themselves prior to the move. So like you want to see these nodes collapse prior to the big rotation, and these nodes grow as targets, and then we can identify the rotation and maybe time it properly with our call put volume stuff. Like I mean, a lot of people pay for like flow from like trade ticks or whatever, but I mean I think this is like I mean I prefer this anyway because it's aggregated per candle, so you can kind of see the put and call volume like difference per candle, which I think is far more important. Like seeing that this large put volume spike happened at the high of the day, like this specific candle, we sweep it out and then reverse. Like I think that's far more important than seeing the squiggly lines and shit. You know what I mean? Can ES focus up? Can ES lock in for 2 seconds? ES has been on bullshit for like 2 weeks now, dude. And if I'm being completely honest, I want to see this high hold. Like I don't want us to get above that high either. This price really needs to capitalize on this put volume or it's completely chopped. ES coming in with a lot of put volume as well. I just really want them to finally give it the fuck up. Like, I don't see a world where SPY doesn't rotate to 740. I really don't. I don't see that world like at all. What's that, like below? Yeah, that's below previous day low. Like a SPY is so much more, like ES is so much more bearish than the Qs because ES started its rotation later than the Qs. So I think it's just like positioning a little bit later, and now NASDAQ is trying to start the rotation higher before ES. Again, like they're just not going to trade in tandem ever again. Which is whatever, it doesn't really bother me, but it's just so funny how, like, for the longest time they've been, like, just so out of sync. Like, there's just no call volume in this market at all. It is crazy. I hardly ever see this. And it's still being... Yeah, it's nobody... Well, there's some people below, like, 700, Jason. $71 viewers. My goodness, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, 4 a.m. open. I don't really look at all that stuff, to be honest with you. I think price is mostly random in between gamma exposure levels and dark pool prints. Like, I'll use opens for volatility injections, but, like, I don't really see it as anything more than that, to be honest with you, Jason. And you can always comment, like, in the stream chat, you don't, if you want, so I can see it. What is Gamma saying? It's just kind of stalling at the moment. Like, there's interest on both sides, I would say, but, like, SPY is definitely bearish lower, which would make me feel that NQ is bearish and the flow is bearish as well. Like, everything's pretty bearish. We're just being held up by this. We're just being held up at 700 on the Qs by this pivot. Like, it's a really, really strong pivot on the DEX and GEX. So, like, below this, we get fun, happy times. Above it, we do this annoying grind bullshit that no one likes in participating in. Like, no speed, just boring nonsense. All right, are they gonna try to push 700 for one more time? I think they are. This is crazy. There's no call volume in this market. Just fucking dump it, you pieces of shit. Just fucking dump it, bro. Fuck. It's getting so boring just watching them just hold it up. Like, bro, let it fucking go, dude. Just let TS go. My God. $500 on one mini is so hilarious. Can I get to a rack with one mini? That would be generational. That would be a generational short, a rack with one mini. Bro, there's no way they can't just send it below the 700 with literal negative call volume coming in the market, dude. This is crazy. This is bananas. They really want to keep this position between like 750, 745 and like 700, 705, kind of like last week, where we were just like holding all those forever, maybe establishing new value. Yeah, dude, I know. I don't want to watch the grass grow, though. I want to touch the grass. I want to go touch the grass. Yeah. Maybe I can get some sunlight. Maybe that'll help. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now I can feel it, dude. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, that's so much better, dude. Give me your energy. I need to get like a soundboard, dude. Bro, they are trying to break this. Like, this is like a capitulation. Like, the way I'm seeing this, dude, this is like a capitulation area. Once this breaks, dude, price is just gonna just fart on itself. It's gonna need a new diaper, dude. If this 700 breaks with speed, NQ will need a diaper change. Here we go. Let's get it fucking going, NQ. Let's get TS moving. Anyone in shorts with me? From the 70 people on X watching? Let me know. Let me know. I forgot that I have to like ask for engagement or something. I don't really know how this works, but I'm a really bad entertainer, I suppose. Oh, dude, dude, I forgot to put like my 50 affiliate codes on the screen, dude. Oh, because how else am I supposed to make money if you don't use my affiliate code? I don't have any, but buy 30 Lucid accounts with my affiliate code, please. Hey, what's up, Baku? Yeah, how else will I support my overinflated lifestyle if you don't buy 20 Apex evals, 5 Lucids, and copy trade them with Tradecopia, and you have to buy everything with Code Triad? How else? Dude, I freaking hate this affiliate shilling bullshit that's going on these days. It's so bad. Like, whatever happened to just, like, streaming for the love of it, or, like, trying to help people, or, you know. It's so crazy. Like, I have a decently sized community, and I have one code that I don't really even promote all that much with an options firm that I enjoy using, but I don't like promote it really all that much. I just think it's crazy, like how shameless people are with their codes. Anyways, let's really hope. Let's see some displacement below 700. Like that's genuinely what we need here. Or these affiliate goons have codes for fucking everything, dude. If they could sell their mother, they would give you a code for it, bro. Like, genuinely, they would. It's so crazy how shameless people have gotten. I'll be right back.
Richmond and Norfolk area, which we featured our Levon mini donuts instead. Fruit Bites had sales of 96,000. We were down 38% from 38,000 units. 12 Count Donuts had sales of 178,000. We were up 15%. That's up 333%. And Mini Donuts had sales of 27,000. We were up 69%. With units up 167%. Some additional highlights from last week: we had 6-inch cheesecakes. We were up 24% in sales and up 26% in units. Shrink was better than last year by 1,200 basis points. And lastly, Stonefire Non and Mini Non were up double digits in sales and in units. Shrink was better for both units overall from last year. That's it for Bakery.
Need more water? No, I don't need more water. Howdy, guys. Wait, if I'm live streaming to people, don't I need to, like, if I hit a trade, don't I need to, like, advertise it all week? If I hit like 100 points, don't I need to, like, talk about it and shit, like, and promote my services? It's so funny, dude. Some of these dudes are so bad that, like, they'll hit, and I'm not gonna say who, but they'll hit a trade and they haven't, like, hit anything in like 2 weeks, and then they'll, like, gloat the trade around for weeks talking about, oh, dude, this is why you need to blah 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 for for the fucking market. We called out, like, how many fucking points? Like, so far we're up 300 or 220 points. Hold up, let me measure it again. 228 points on the short. Might post it once, we'll see. There we fucking go. Just so you know, I'm not, like, showing you, like, this isn't closed. This is $500 on one micro. This is $500 on a singular micro, which is crazy. That's nuts. Yeah, well, all of them are terrible people in my opinion, but, like, I highly doubt, like, they'll ever give me a code, because I'm just not nice about, like, I just don't shill. It's at all. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's high-key embarrassing, like, to shill, like, affiliates and shit. Grown-ass man promoting another man's business. Low-key gay? Sounds gay. Oh, dude. Nah, I'm kidding. Yeah, it's hella suspect. I just saw that, by the way. Like, if you just saw what I said, that's how delayed the stream is right now. I don't know, bro. Sounds sus to me, no? All right, let's start doing the tango now in Q. Let's start getting juicy. Okay, these 691, 690s are starting to pop really, really nicely. Now the question is, can we get pre-PDL today? I think we can. Like, I genuinely think we can. I believe it. Can we get a rack with 1 micro? I think that's the move. Like, nah, never mind. I'm not going to keep talking about the affiliate shit. It's not even worth it. Not even worth it. Now I think we just chill and, like, hopefully price just retains momentum like it's supposed to below these areas here. VIX is about to blast. VIX might do the hoochie coochie, bro. VIX to 20 today would be so fucking funny. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. It keeps me motivated to keep doing it. Shit, if we get enough likes and follows and shit, like, I'll do this shit every day, man. We'll just catch bangers every day. I think last week we called out 1,500 points in the Sovereign community with me and my general manager. But, like, I get enough love here on X, I'll just do this shit all the time. It's good for me and good for everybody else, you know? And I like seeing people win, you know? Trading the right way. Fucking candle. Don't make me look bad, Sov. Don't make me look bad, Sov. Dude, I haven't even shilled my own platform yet, now. I'm such a bad owner, bro. That's so crazy. ES below the start pool print, we should be cooking. I want to see call volume kind of fall off on ES here, but like with speed picking up on NQ, like I'm not gonna lie, I want to see this market, like, dude, like it. I really want to see it get bidless and just start going. Great trader, terrible businessman. I don't know, dude. It's just like it. Like I could be a much better promoter, but I don't know, like, I feel like my business speaks for itself, and like I don't have to shamelessly plug it 24/7 to attract people that I think are great customers for me to have. I'd rather have like really, really good customers, really, really good people that are in my community than like 1,000 people that are literal pains in the ass to like do anything with. So like, I mean, if you like my platform and the way I trade and you're willing to learn and grow and everything like that, then yeah, like I might be your guy. I don't know, but like I don't really like mentor, quote unquote. I just teach you how to use Sovereign, my platform, trading Gamma, and you know we have classes daily, live streams daily, and stuff like that. I've kind of switched to doing small signaling, not anything crazy. I don't say like short this or long that at this price, but I have been helping people capture more points on average than they're used to, I think. Because I think people need to get momentum behind them. Like, if you can get a few good wins and see what's possible and learn what a good trade feels like, then you can repeat the process. So, like, you can get that positive reinforcement and keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it. And then eventually, like, you don't need, like, me behind you being like, oh, yeah, do this, then do that. Because a lot of these signal rooms, like most people here, all those wins and losses you see, and this isn't me, like, dogging on anybody, like, I always say, like, learn from who you feel like, you know, you learn from best and meld with mesh with best. But a lot of the wins and losses shit you see are just like a bunch of copy trading people, like the wins and losses shit. Like, it's all the same trade. It's just a whole bunch of people taking it at the same time. It's like, what's the point? Like, what does that show me? Does it show me shit? I get fed. I don't know, maybe I should get a little bit less, maybe more shameless, I suppose. I'm gonna close this fucking trade if we get above here. Like, I swear to God I will. I can't handle it anymore. I've been up so many points this whole day, including last night, and just haven't closed because I've been anticipating what we're doing right now. Like, it's so frustrating. Give me one moment, guys. Just gotta make a phone call. All right, never mind. Here's the retest of 700. If we expand above it, I'm just cutting this because I literally cannot. Yeah, Delta is centered at 700. I agree. I mean, SPY is just like, I think SPY wants 740. It's just like no trade in this market, like longer term, like a good swing has, like, this is fine. Like, if you just want to take like down to these lows, like, I feel you, like, that's an easy trade. But like, if you're trying to capture like the whole move, like, they haven't made it easy in quite some time. And like, not that I want easy ones all the time, but like, at least not migraine inducing, you know what I mean? Like, don't give me a migraine. $82 viewers is crazy, dude. This is like my first real good stream on X too. Wow, thank you guys. Don't forget to like. Please. Pretty please. Oh, okay, now my phone call's coming in. I think I'm back. Had to take a quick phone call. Should be a trap. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. It's just like how many times can like as long I mean we're below the pivot, so like I'm pretty okay with like kind of floating this right now, but like I really need to see something of a turnaround. VIX wants to retag 18 again, it seems, which is fine. They're just trying their best to not let VIX get too much speed. Like every time VIX is about to pop, they have to retest it like 3 or 4 times before it actually sends it. Like we can't get any good like speed to the downside at all. I mean, like SPY 740 is still like on the menu, I think. Like the book hasn't really shifted all that much on the gamma side. These two nodes, like these two here are like the 705 and like 690 are like fighting each other, trying to figure out who wants to win. These are going to be like, these are kind of like two potential targets that they're looking at, I think, and they're trying to see which one they want to send it to. Like 690, 691. This kind of node being like outside one of the outside of like the fives, you know, 690, 695, 700 is pretty interesting to see. That means it does have interest at it, because typically like you'll see like large nodes in like intervals of 5. So whenever you see nodes with like good strength, like this one's growing again, you see good strength outside of intervals of 5, it means they're pretty interesting, and you should probably keep your eyeballs on them. At least that's what I'd like to do. It's not that I discount any of the ones that aren't on the, or are on the 5 interval, but well, you can see here that like on the Qs here, like 700 is just like this massive delta pivot. Put's trying to come in again. But like so many people pattern trade like large nodes in intervals of 5, and they don't understand that like it's just kind of like what happens. Like, yeah, large nodes are going to be at intervals of 5. It's just the way things fucking go. So like it's better for you to like really keep your eye out for like odd nodes that are outside of that, like 703 and 691. Like look at here, like 685 is going to be bigger, 680 is going to be bigger, etc., 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 etc. Like I'm cool with retagging 700. I just don't want us to like reclaim it and start expanding from it. In like this sort of sense, like that's the like. In this sense, like I don't want that bullshit to happen. Like I need us to stay below this delta pivot. Like I don't understand. Like this whole area here is just like so balanced. SPY doesn't have like anything on the flow that's even saying like which direction it wants. NQ is the one that's screaming bearish, like flow wise. It's like gamma wise, SPY is saying lower, much easier, but like flow wise, the Qs are saying they want to rotate. So like, but nothing's like screaming at me that we want higher. If anything, it's just going to be like consolidation or lower, in my opinion. Just like watching paint dry. Like, if SPY's flow could flip more bearish, I'd be really, really happy. What's the put call volume at? Okay, so like SPY's put call volume is skewed to the puts. Skewed to the puts then. Alrighty. One moment. I gotta. One moment. I'm here. Wow. I leave for 2 seconds. This piece of shit decides to pop. Can we be so dead ass? VIX is just gonna retest 18 again. Are we just gonna stay range bound like all day? Like the hourly looks fucking disgusting. Yeah, hourly looks crazy as hell, and yet they're still gonna try to bounce it back up. Bro. Can a guy not like catch a good short? Grab a fridge sig. You think 705? Could be. I mean, just PA wise, like, like this is just gross. Sorry, I'm looking at TradingView at the same time. I think we get up to 705 again. Interesting. Let's see if VIX wants to like entertain us. Like this is like ideally when I'd want to start adding, when VIX can pop again is when I like to get back in. Especially with the behavior it's been having. It's just so stupid. If I'm just reading the market, like it just looks short. I think it's nuts to like the China long this I think is pretty fucking nuts. Like I don't know. That's just like my opinion. If you see longs, like by all means, I'm not gonna judge you. I'm sure you have every reason to try the longs, but in your own vision. But to me, I just don't see it. Oh god. I also don't see like entering around here, like around this noise, like at all. Surely we can get a VIX pop to like 19, no? It's just crazy. Here goes the third attempt at the 18s. And it'll probably dig a little bit lower. On some bullshit. Like I really want this high to stay. But like this thing has been scaring me. Like every time I try to like short or retrace like a deep one, like it just continues to pop. Like it'll fall a little bit, but then it'll just pop again and again and again and again. See now now the 703 is growing again, like, and these are really falling off. Is Tradecopia bugging? Tradecopia, or whatever you call it? I hope not. Bro. The hell? Having issues with Tradecopia. What the fuck? Anyone else? If you use it, are you having issues too? Bro, this is nuts. Like I'm getting irritated now because now I can't manage anything. Like, what the hell? Bro. Are we so serious? What a shit copy trader, dude. Like, what an actual shit copy trader. I genuinely can't manage anything. Like, it's such a piece of shit. Like, now my orders are uneven on my leader. Like, I don't even know how to fix this. I genuinely don't, because I can't sell one. Like, I don't even know where my stop is. Well, I guess I do, but, like, whatever. Fuck it. I'm gonna have to run desktop because, like, the VM instance is, like, giving me so many issues. I guess unless you pay them $150 a month, they'll fuck your VM up and take your money. Like, it's actually beyond frustrating. Can I see, like, where my average is? Yeah, that's fine, Dottie. I'm just saying, like, can I see my average, like, on TradeCopia, or no? Like, I don't. Okay. Well, fuck it. The time to get into another con is way over anyway. It was right here at OTE, so fuck it. I don't really care. Piece of shit. TradeCopier, bro. Literal piece of shit. And now I have to like manage this on Tradevate. How fun is that, dude? Literal fucking piece of shit. How do you like remove shit on here? Remove. Like now I want to take off the volume profile. Okay, I guess that's a little bit better. I can't. Is the blue line on Tradevate where your entry is? I'm so confused on how to use this. 701 getting support? Yeah, I know. It's just really fucking unfortunate. I'm sorry, I'm trying to set up my Tradevate here. I'm sorry, guys. Auto fit chart. What the fuck does that mean? Off. Okay. Alright, now... Okay, now we're cooking. What else did I need to do? Fuck, I can't remember. I had it in my head. I can't remember. Oh, yes. Oh. Never mind. Not gonna do that at the moment. We'll just do this the old-fashioned way. So I guess your entry on Tradevate is the blue line, I think. Why is this software ass? Why does this software suck? So bad. Fills and orders, show orders, and show order lines. Is that what we want? Oh, I see. Okay. Show orders. Okay. Sure, why not? I think that should do it. I mean, maybe we just want to come into like OTE, you know? Of, one moment. I'm just moving a window. Actually, no, we'll keep it like this. I don't mind. I just don't. I don't think we'll go anywhere. I mean, we're already getting above like the 700s and just meandering around like. Nothing looks exciting by any means. Do I think we continue lower? Maybe, but like we kind of failed like all this put volume. And like I think it's a little bit late in the day to expect a big move, you know. Maybe we'll just fucking bullshit around. It's really frustrating. Do. I don't know. Delta's mad thick below. It's like kind of whimsy up here. I don't know. But like I think the time for like a large move is more than likely over unless like some crazy afternoon bullshit happens. I mean, this is just like the most insane, boring shit of all time. Like, I don't think price could get any more boring than this. Like, I think I don't know, like, I do like the sell still, but, like, and this would be a good time to average, but it would get me, like, above here-ish. But do we want to dig above these highs? You know, who knows? Just like the 1 hour just doesn't look good. 4 hour looks awful. Everything looks mid. I think what I'll do is see if we can get below this dark pool print again. And operate from there. I'd like to see us like fail to reclaim this and head lower and see VIX respool. That's like really what I'm thinking. This is really where I like to add, like when VIX is about to pop around its wall, because I just assume they'll hold. Is this green line like high of day or whatever? I need to turn off that fucking order filled shit. Shit stresses me out. Audio notifications, that's fine. It looks like it might try to crawl back up, sadly enough. Man. I was really hoping the speed below the star pool print would give it the juice it needed. Pop VIX, keep it below there and keep running it down, but I think we're just gonna stay inside the range and I'm just gonna get bored. Like, if that's the case, it's the case. You really gonna run? Still trading below previous day highs, so like it's fine to remain that way, you know, like bearish. Fundamentally. I just really hate how like anytime we get like any down candles, like it's just getting kind of like spiked back up. Like, shoop. VIX going for another leg down. Yeah. I'll probably just call it here and close out. It's just not doing anything, but I do appreciate you guys for stopping by, and I think we'll be live Wednesday again. But if you really enjoyed it, make sure to give the stream a like and a follow, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.